Good morning, guys. I had some issues with my stomach. Maybe it was that durum. This is the first time I'm walking out in just a t-shirt and these harem pants. And it's not actually excruciating. It's pretty fucking good. So we got the first tolerable morning. Oh my god, I can't wait for the first tolerable night. When it starts being this temperature at night, I'm gonna be so ready to go outdoors. I'm having some real chill days here. Nikki. It's so nice. I spoke to Thomas and to Yes a bit today about some government stuff they're helping me out with. I think I got everything figured out when it comes to that stuff. I'm gonna make some tea. And some breakfast. Rolled oats with milk and sugar, I think. But yeah, chill days. Not really much happening. Sorry about that, guys. But rejoice, because soon enough I'll be out there every day. Don't worry about it. I have not forgot what this channel is about. It's looking like the solar panels are coming along soon too. Fingers crossed. I really like this tea right here. It's white tea with raspberry. It's pretty good. It's all pink when you put milk in there. I'm watching an Annie Austin video right now about Kingdom Come Deliverance. I don't play the game, but this guy makes interesting games about uninteresting stuff in video games. Just eating my breakfast here in my little cave. I'm walking over to my friend in this other courtyard here. Good morning, guys. I fell asleep yesterday without brushing my teeth. That's not good. My teeth are not doing especially good, so it's very important I remember to brush them every day. I brought this with me. Let's fill up some water for the room. This is a pretty nice morning ritual. Brewing some tea, walking back through the outside, watching some videos. Let's go. Another chill day. I don't think I'm gonna be doing much today. Alright guys, check this out. I got the light up here. And I got my tweezers right here. And my little mirror right here with magnification. So I can actually fix my beard without having to go to the bathroom to do so. It's really nice being able to do this without having the need of a regular mirror. I've had so many stragglers. My beard's down here, guys. Come on now. Let's see. I think I'm ready to go now. Electric unicycle is almost done charging. $100.6, almost there. Man, I love my fast charger. Yo guys, I'm out here driving real slow so you can hear me in the microphone. Got my JBL speaker in the back. I don't know if you can see that. I got a ton of stuff in my backpack. You'll see later. I'm just out here backtracking the road that I traveled in the blistering cold like a week ago or so. Because I want to ride all the way to Copenhagen. 54 kilometers. Let's go. This is a nice place to ride. It sucked having to go through here on an e-bike in the cold. It took me 2 hours, 15 minutes just to get here from a nearby train station. This is nice. Nice time of day. It's beautiful. It's not so cold. I'm just taking in the beautiful landscape while listening to some Ørsted. I haven't listened to that guy in years. Made it onto the train. Definitely a muddy experience. Pit stop. I'm always trying to improve something. Today I tightened up these knots here that I made them a bit tighter because, man, I had thicker thighs and thicker legs when I first got these, and I've lost a bunch of weight since then. So in order for them to not keep sliding down all the time, I had to readjust them. I'm just hanging out here with Yes and his friend who has this sewing studio here. They're just out playing table tennis right now. I'm just eating. Getting some energy, getting ready. I got a long trip in front of me today. Look at all these people checking out the train tracks. It was not this popular last time around. I think the guys are in here playing ping pong. Let's see. Alright. Here they are. Had to go get some filters and some tobacco. Now I'm here. This is the way my mom always used to enter Copenhagen, so it's very nostalgic to me for that reason. We'd come from there and we'd go that way, the same way I'm going actually. I don't feel like it's a very usual way to enter Copenhagen anymore. I feel like they've built new stuff that is faster and smarter. Oh, well, let's go. Come on, no. didn't make it. We're down here in the basement shooting a photo shoot. I'm just on the wheel zooming about. I think I'm gonna be in the photo shoot too. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, restricted area.
Når vi laver hans fodtryk, så skal jeg køre rundt. Jeg prøver også, det var bare for at sige, så prøver jeg at tøj. Kan vi bare ikke lave det? Det er det, de går. Tak. Det er helt surrealistisk, der er så meget på os.
Det er så dejligt.
Ja.
Det var bare...
Er det ikke ved? Vi fik en masse røgelser ham, der er ude og hente lidt lyd.
Alright guys, I got a few videos edited. I'm just waiting to go over here to do a little bit of shopping before I get home to Moss, I guess is his nickname. The common friend of me and Yes. Yeah, I just need to get a few more things to make another portion of soft shell tacos. Well, let's get it. I left the others, but it was raining on the way over here. But it's all good. My electric unicycle is pretty waterproof, and this jacket's about to be waterproof in a few days. I forgot to get tortillas for the tacos, so I'm just gonna grab that real quick and head back into the train. It's been fun riding today. Getting closer to home. Last station. I was supposed to go to Svendborg today to hand over the e-bike charger to Bogdan that I bought the other day. Me and Yes's Ukrainian friend, but Yes was going over there anyway, and I kind of wanted to get back home today, so he said, let me just bring the charger for him. I'll give it to him tomorrow. So I can just go home now. I'm gonna cook some more tacos with Moss, hang out with him, and I think that's the rest of my day really. But it was nice hanging out for a few hours over at Sporty Track 10. Or Platform 10. I guess it's more like Track 10, yeah. Alright, I'm in Hillerød now, waiting for the train. Not sure if this is mine. It just got here. It's vacating the people in there. I'm just holding up right here. I'm really liking this helmet light. It's really good. Very effective. Home sweet home very soon. Can't believe I was supposed to be in Svendborg today. Thank God I don't have to go. I don't want to go to Fyn. I'm over Fyn. I want to be over here, man. I'm riding the home stretch, guys. Let's go. Got off the last train. Let's get home. Make some food. Chill out with my friend. Just preparing to eat some tacos. Hey, let's go. I met a guy on the train who said he may have an electric unicycle he's willing to sell for 4,000 Danish, and he said it goes 100 kilometers an hour. I took his number down. I'm like, yeah, I gotta see what the fuck that's about. So let's see, maybe I get an upgrade. I don't expect it.